Hello student, in this lecture we are going to start long questions of chapter 1 Introduction to Partnership. In this question you are asked to prepare profit and loss appropriation account and partners capital account. Students, profit and loss appropriation account is prepared to know divisible profit or divisible loss, as well as in this account only those transactions are recorded which are related between partner and partnership firm. Which transaction connected with partner and partnership firm? Like that, interest on capital, interest on drawing, partner commission, partner salary, partner remuneration, right? Transfer to general reserve. It is an appropriation. It is also recorded in P&L appropriation account. And why is prepared partner capital account? So partner capital account is prepared to know closing balance of partner's capital. So let us start a long question, page number 32, exercise 8. So students, open page number 32. I will read this question and try to understand. Harpal and Chirag are the partners of firm. On 1st April 16, their capital is rupees 60,000 and 1 lakh. This is opening balance of partner capital. Opening balance of partner capital will be recorded on credit side. During the year, on 1st April 16, Harpal has withdrawn rupees 15,000. Harpal drawing is given. And drawing of Chirag has withdrawn rupees 20,000 on 1st January 2017. So here partner withdraw from partnership firm. Provision of partnership deed are as follow. Provide 12% interest on capital. Students, interest on capital has double effect. Interest on capital is an expense. So first effect debited to P&L appropriation account, and second effect credited to partner's capital account. Charge 9% per annum interest on drawing. Interest on drawing is an income for partnership firm. So first effect, it is credited to P&L appropriation account, and second effect debited to partner capital account. Rupees 1,000 per month are payable to Harpal for his active role in partnership firm. Students, here partner has paid remuneration or salary. It is an expense for partnership firm. So double effect, P&L appropriation debit, salary, and partner capital credit. While 5% commission on divisible profit is payable to Chirag. Here commission is an expense payable to partner. First effect P&L appro debit, and second effect partner capital credit. On 1st December 16, Harpal has given loan of rupees 30,000 to the firm. There is no provision for interest on loan in the partnership deed. He claimed 11% interest on his loan. Students, remember that partner loan given by partner to the partnership firm is a liability of the firm. So loan will be shown on liability side of the balance sheet. And here balance sheet is not asked in the example. So no entry of loan. As well as interest on loan is a financial expense. And this expense debited to profit and loss account. And here profit and loss appropriation account is going to be prepared. So interest on loan is not to be considered. The profit of the firm on 31st March 17 was rupees 79,400 before above provision, but after charging interest on loan of Harpal. So here profit is given after charging interest on loan, and it is net profit shown by profit and loss account. From the above information, prepare profit and loss appropriation account and partner capital account. Okay student, how to start example? Example start with the beginning, means opening balance. Partner capital always show credit balance. So it is recorded on credit side of partner capital account. 1st April 16 by balance brought down. Harpal capital 60,000 and Chirag capital 1 lakh. Understand? During the year on 1st April 16, Harpal has withdraw means drawing, and drawing recorded on debit side of partner capital account 1st April 16, two drawings account. Harpal withdraw 15,000. So here 15,000 dash, because Chirag withdraw on different date, 1st January. So 1st January 17, two drawings account separately recorded, because the date of drawing is not same. Chirag drawing is 20,000. Students, one point noted that while calculating interest on drawing, date of drawing should be considered. Means interest on drawing calculated on the basis of time consumption. Okay. At last, net profit is given the example. Net profit is recorded on P&L appropriation account by profit and loss account into bracket net profit 79,400. This is net profit. And now read one by one adjustment. First adjustment, provide 12% per annum interest on capital. Interest on capital is an expense. First effect, P&L appropriation account debit. Interest on capital. Two partners are given, Harpal and Chirag, H and C. Students, interest on capital calculate on opening balance of partner capital account 60,000 and 1 lakh. So 60,000 12%, it is 7,200, and 1 lakh 12%, 12,000. So total 19,200. Are you understand? Interest on capital calculated for full year. Why is calculated for full year? Because it is opening balance. Now second effect of interest on capital, two interest on capital. Interest on capital credited to partner capital account by interest on capital. Interest on capital account 7,200, 12,000. Understand? Okay, second adjustment, charge 9% per annum interest on drawings. Student, interest on drawing is an income for partnership firm. So first effect, P&L appropriation credit, interest on drawings. Right? First partner Harpal and second partner Chirag. Students, interest on drawing calculated on the basis of time consumption. Here, Harpal withdraw at the beginning of the year, full amount at the beginning of the year. So here, working note is required. Interest on drawings. Right? Harpal, full year interest 15,009%, 1350. Chirag withdraw 20,000. 9%, but Chirag withdraw on 1st January 2017, and our accounting ends on 31st March 17. So how many month consumption period? January, February, March. 3 months. 3 by 12. 3 by 12. So your final amount is 450. 450. Understand? So this is interest on drawing. Now here 1350 and 450. Total amount of interest on drawing is 1800. What will be second effect? Cross effect, cross. By interest on drawing to here, two interest on drawing. 31st March 17 to interest on drawings account. 1350 and 450. Can you understand? Okay. Third adjustment, rupees 1,000 per month are payable to Harpal for his active role in firm. This is called salary. Salary is an expense. So salary debited to P&L appropriation account to salary. H means Harpal, 1,000 per month. Students, per month 1,000, so multiplied by 12. 12. So what is annual salary? 12,000. Annual salary is 12,000. Second effect, partner capital account. 31st March 17 by salary. Here salary given to only one partner, Harpal. So 12,000 in the column of Harpal capital account. Chirag dash. As well as commission payable to partner Chirag is given in terms of percentage. It is 5% of divisible profit. And here divisible profit is not available. So how to determine divisible profit?
एक मिनट में खुल के
divisible profit means the difference of profit and loss appropriation account. So total of credit side minus total of debit side. So here working note of commission, total of credit side, the credit side total is 81,200 minus total of debit side. Total of debit side is 31,200. So what is your profit? This is profit before commission. And as per condition, Chirag entitled to get 5% of divisible profit. 5% of divisible profit. Not after deducting his commission. Only simple instruction given in the example. So directly calculate 5% interest on a 5% commission. So commission is equal to 50,000, 5%, that is 2,500. This is Chirag commission. Commission is an expense, so it should be debited to P&L appropriation account to commission Chirag 2,500. And second effect of commission given to partner capital account. Partner capital account credit side by commission account. Understand? Amount of commission 2,500 in only Chirag capital credited. Harpal dash. Right? Students, loan and interest on loan are not considered because they are recorded in balance sheet. Now close P&L appropriation account. Right? As per our previous total, credit side total higher. 81,200. So difference transfer to partner capital account. Students, here total of credit side higher means difference is called divisible profit. And this divisible profit divided between two partners, Harpal and Chirag, in their profit sharing ratio. So what will be difference? So 81,200 minus debit side amount. So your difference is 47,500. And this profit divided between partner in their profit sharing ratio. Profit sharing ratio is not given. So which ratio? Equal ratio. It is divided in equal ratio 1:1. 23750. 23750. I understand. 23750. Now second effect given to partner capital account on credit side by P&L appropriation account into bracket divisible profit. DP means divisible profit. 23750. And finally close partner capital account. Generally total of partner capital account credit side higher then debit side. So what is total? 102,950. 102,950. Difference to balance carry forward. What is difference? 86,600. First partner. Second partner total 138. 250. 138,250. The difference of second partner 1,17,800. This is the closing balance of partner capital account. Okay, thank you.